My favorite thing in the whole degree plan was my senior design project. So we were tasked with creating a drawing process for an actual manufacturing company.
That project alone was about 6 months of our time, 10, 15 hours a week. I mean, it was a considerable amount of time, considerable amount of work.
We ended up creating an actual oven that had airflow, it had heat, it had humidity control and everything in order to dry parts quicker.
To me, probably the best part of it was it was like a real world application, and almost I don't want to use the word simulation, but it's kind of like a simulation for what's going to happen in the real world and coming into a project like that, because we were given, the manufacturing company said, hey, we have this problem. How do you propose that it's fixed? And they told us, they pretty much gave us parameters of what needs to happen. They want drying times of this fast, of this many parts. They have, this size of parts, and this is the space that you have to give us some sort of design to increase our process. Yes, I mean, obviously we came across a bunch of problems, but just the actual going through the process and solving the problems on our own, and at the end delivering a final product that's gonna work and can actually solve a problem for a manufacturing company. So I mean, all that time that we'd spent over the 6 months or however long it was, kind of helped me get a more solid understanding of actually working through a process and solving a problem and delivering a product to a company.
Just using everything that we've learned and going beyond that, I learned so much from that project. I learned a lot of different coding. I learned more about control system designs. It was really fun. Everything was automated. It was, I don't know, definitely my all-time favorite project.